Alright, so that's an escalator. And what we call an escalator in Thai, the word for the day is bandai lươn. Bandai is stairs, lươn is to slide. So if you were to say a sliding door, you could say ประตูเลื่อน a sliding door. But anyway, that's off topic. So what does an escalator do? Well, it takes you up and it takes you down. Now, let's talk a bit about that. To go up is to ขึ้น ขึ้น go up. And to go down, ลง ลง. So ขึ้นand ลง is up and down in relation to moving. So you have to be moving up or you have to be moving down. So you say ขึ้นไป หรือ ลงไป. But to be above is บน ข้างบน. Or you can say เหนือ. And to be below is ล่าง or ข้างล่าง. Or you can say ใต้. Now, if we put the บน with ขึ้น, which means to move up, it basically still means to move up. Move up to the up position, ขึ้นบน. And then move down to the lower position, ลงล่าง. Let's recap that. To go up is ขึ้น ขึ้นไป ขึ้นบน. To go down is ลง ลงไป ลงล่าง. And if you want to say something is like up, above, you'd say ข้างบน or บน. And if you want to say something is below, you'd say ข้างล่าง or ล่าง. And if you want to say the upper floor, ชั้นบน. So floor is ชั้น. And the lower floor would be ชั้นล่าง. Alright, so that's your up and down, above and below. Thank you very much. Until next time, let me know what you want to know about.